Hi there, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off mentions feature on the TikTok app. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, open the TikTok app and find the home screen menu. Step 2. Next, tap on your profile picture at the right side of the screen corner. Step 3. Now, tap on the 3 lines option at the top right of the screen. Step 4. Next, locate the Settings and Privacy option at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Step 5. Now, locate the Privacy option and tap on it. Step 6. Next, find the Mentions option and tap on it. Step 7. Now tap on Allow Mentions from the option at the top of the screen. Step 8. Next, under Who can mention you in their descriptions, stickers, comments, and stories, you will see 4 options: Everyone, People you follow, Friends, or No one. Final step. For the last and most important step, tap on No One to select it. And now, mentions are turned off on your TikTok account instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.